Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial on using Matplotlib. In today's video, we'll learn how to plot multiple line charts on the same figure. So let's get started. First, we need to import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. The other thing we need is x and y points. So let's say x1. Of course, let me just import also numpy, which stands for numerical numpy or numerical Python, as np. So this one will be np dot random dot rand int low will equal to maybe 0, high will equal to 10, and size will be 10. I will just copy this line 1, 2, 3, and here we will have x1, y1. This will be x2, y2. And I will keep everything else unchanged. Now we just need to plot. So plt dot plot. So x1, y1. Also plt dot plot x2, y2. And finally plt dot show. Let's run and see what kind of output we get. So the other way to plot that is we can use single line and say x1, y1, x2, y2. Let's run and see. And here we go. So that's it for me, guys, in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.